Hello, I'm Peter Blandon. I'm Quality and Technical Manager for FirePro UK. Question for you. Are FirePro systems complicated? Well, here's what an engineer, an experienced engineer, has to say about commissioning his first 5 systems for a major site in central London. We recently met with someone who was new to working on FirePro systems, so can you kind of explain how we met, please?
I was asked by my company to commission a number of FirePro systems for a site in central London. I was a bit anxious as I'd not worked on a FirePro system before. It's one thing doing the training in a classroom, another working on a live system.
Right, so what was your role in this particular job?
I've been overseeing the removal of gas suppression systems that have been there since the site opened, but due to poor room integrity, correct hold times can no longer be achieved, so these systems protecting switch rooms, generators and plant rooms are being retrofitted for FirePro systems.
Oh yeah, I remember being asked by your directorate to help out with solving this problem.
Yeah, they were happy when we offered them a solution.
Right, so how difficult was the job?
We upgraded the control panel's detection, shutdowns and installed FirePro in each of the risk areas. It was up to me to commission the new systems.
So this was the first time you'd worked with FirePro?
Yeah, it was a bit nerve-wracking. I was a bit worried that I might accidentally do something wrong, which wouldn't be good for me or for my boss or the customer.
Sure. Many gas systems engineers be able to tell you a story or two about things gone wrong, normally when they take a few shortcuts. Anyway, you successfully worked through the required tasks safely and have now handed over your first FirePro system, or should I say in this case, 5 systems. Well done, mate.
Yeah, I did. Although I was really skeptical at first, my confidence slowly picked up once we knew the process for installation and commissioning. And from a safety point of view, we electrically isolated the FirePro generators as soon as they were fitted, so they couldn't activate even if I made a mistake. Setting up the systems was quite easy. There were a few things that I was unsure of, but the information provided was good, and it was good to have you drop by on site just to make sure we were doing it right.
Yeah, it's in everyone's interest to get it right first time, even if it does mean we have to do a few overnight stays away from home. We always work with our partners installers, especially on the first few installations, which we understand may be a bit daunting at first. So it's important that we are there to provide support if it's needed.
Well, now I have commissioned a few. I'm looking forward to working on more systems using FirePro and showing other engineers in our team that it's not complicated. In fact, I think it's a very good system to work on.
It's good to hear that you went from being hesitant at first to being an advocate of FirePro. Thank you for your time. It's really appreciated.
No worries.